Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play King Von on Garageband. Start by opening Garageband and selecting an empty project or a hip-hop template. This provides a clean slate for your track. Next, set your project's tempo to approximately 140 beats per minute, which is common for this style. Finally, choose a drum kit that features a powerful 88 kick and a crisp snare to lay down a solid foundation. Now, let's build the beat. Program a consistent 4-on-the-floor kick drum pattern to drive the rhythm. Then, place a strong snare hit on the second and fourth beats to give it that classic trap bounce. Introduce a hi-hat pattern using 8th or 16th notes for a busy, energetic feel. Remember to vary the velocities slightly for a more natural, less robotic sound. For the bass, choose a deep sub-bass or an 88 bass instrument to provide that heavy low end. Craft a simple, repetitive bass line, often in a minor key, to establish the mood. Next, introduce a dark, atmospheric synth melody or a piano loop. Focus on a 5-note scale to capture that distinctive, often melancholic, King Von-esque sound. Finally, let's refine your sound. Apply compression to your drums to give them more punch and impact. Add reverb and delay to your synths and melodic elements to create a spacious, atmospheric feel. Use an equalizer to clean up any muddy frequencies and ensure clarity across all instruments. Master your track to achieve optimal loudness and a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.